Okay, my 2015 Subaru, I love, 110,000 miles. And listen. I think it's coming from there. I did spray lubricant, but that popping is as it's opening. Closes just fine. So this is the next video. What would Scooby do? I like to fix with genuine Subaru parts. I lubricated with silicone spray and it lasted for a couple of days or a couple of times that it didn't click, but here's the clicking. What I believe is after a while, these 10 years, these gas shocks, they're just by the nature of the design will lose their ability to hold load. So I have ordered 2 new Subaru shocks, gas shocks, left and right. Gonna replace those and see if it does away with the clicking. All right, so here we are already set up. Want to make sure I positively secure the gate because there's pressure on these. I confirm that there's a left and then there's also a right. If you get the Subaru parts, you get screws and the brackets, and then I confirm here's the left identifier, and then I'm coming on over here. Don't bump the ladder, of course. There's a right. So there we go. And to remove the clips, I'll show you. There's a little retainer clip at the top where you have a hole, a port you can put a screwdriver in, and you just kind of wiggle it around. You get that clip to pop off on one end and then rotate it out, and then the clip is now removed and this will come loose. I'm going to undo this. So there you go. Halfway there. Very simple job so far. Okay, so this is with the left one just replaced, and you can hear it's still popping, but that's only the left one. I still got to do the right. All right, the moment of truth. Both have been done. I haven't closed it yet. I will say that I was going to check the compression of these. I pushed on the ground and tried to collapse them, and man, they're strong. I can't collapse even the old ones, nor the new ones. I didn't want to push it. As you can see, the Subaru price there. But here we go. Let's go ahead and close it. Of course, it doesn't make the clicks during closing. It will only click during the opening. All right, it's 2015 Outback wagon. Here we go. Clicks are gone. At least that's the first opening. And that's the last time I'll ever open the trunk. Thank you.